I just want to say the multi-force is a lot easier than using a snow shovel. Even though it's a good snow shovel, it is not as good as a multi-force. Good job, babe. Back at it. We got some rest. Now we're gonna go out and help some people. We don't do residential driveways, as you guys know, but there's so many people in need and so many people calling. I've activated us to go out and do residential. So that's what we're gonna do and help a lot of people out. Tell you what, guys, our trees in the woods are making some weird sounds. Almost sound like little gunshots going off. I don't think the phone mic will pick it up. There's a narrow walkway and it drops off like a foot. It's hard to get the multi-force on here, but I don't got a choice. This stuff is like concrete. All right, that's as far as the multi-force got me safely. Then I got stuck because this crap is a couple feet at least of snow, 2-3 feet in certain spots, and then an ice layer, which that's what we're trying to dig out of these man doors. I'm literally on 6 inches of ice, but they can't open the doors, and it's just from snow drift. See those big old icicles? Those right there will kill you if they come down on you. And there's probably one, yep, right above my head. That one literally is right above my head. Alright guys, we're trying. This is no joke, 8 inches, 10 inches of just ice. So I'm gonna try to get the truck in here without getting it stuck. A little more, a little more. Go ahead, pull that back for now. At least get the snow off of it. Keep coming, keep coming. Go into V plow. Put it into V. The plow, it's not even letting the plow go down at all. All right, do one more right here. When you hear the gravel, just bump up a notch. So there's like a 6-foot patch of gravel from the concrete to this. All right, what I want you to do now is come up real close. We're gonna try to put the plow onto this walkway, and we're gonna try to shove that off the end. Okay, that's good there.
All right, so he's been working on this here for a while. It's just frozen. At least the ice is starting to come up a little bit. So in case you guys don't know, it's very important to make sure that all the man doors are accessible to be open from the inside. Just in case of emergency, they can get out.
Can't feel my fingers. It shouldn't be that cold when you're working this hard.
Right? There we go. And I'll just dump some salt here too to help that. Good job.
Yeah, I was pointing out the death traps right up above us.
Oh. I don't know if you can see that, but
that's where all this came from.
wow. Well, by the main office, there's also, they put safety cones by one of their doors because of all the ice and stuff that's been dropping. You good?
Yep, I'm good.
All right. Ooh. So he's got that door, this door, and then I'm working on a door down ways there. Almost done with that one.
Had to come all the way up through that, which is a long drive. It's gonna be pretty tough here, I ain't gonna lie, because this is pretty dang thick. Let's see how we do. Stuck there a little bit. We're gonna pull about a foot off here real quick, then back in there and grab another foot and bring it all down here. All right, guys. So very limited with where I can put snow here, but I got this area clear. That white car there is stuck, so we're gonna try to get it out of the way, move a few of these trucks. That truck's got to go out tomorrow, they said, the big semi. Got up to that one with the back blade so they can pull it out. So I'm really going to work on just getting that area there cleared out once they move some cars. All right, got this thing opened up as much as I could. I got some trucks moved. I dug out the steps and everything for them. Put it where I can put it. I mean, this thing is packed. Put a bunch back in there. We don't typically do residentials, but so many people were in need, and because this is an astronomical amount of snow that people mainly aren't able to dig out of. So I'm gonna get this one done. I'm just kind of running through them, not filming these, but I'm gonna knock this one out. The guy shoveled a path and he said forget it, it ain't happening. So I'm gonna get it done here real quick. All right, guys, gentleman came out. He said he just needed access to that third door, so we plowed through a mountain of snow to get back here. Fairly easy one though, honestly, because I was able to go straight back. And this is an old brick. That's crazy. Once you get through the roadway where they've been plowing it in and it hardened up, you can do pretty good. Somebody came down through here with a snow blower, something. All right, just left that one there. They have a plow company. I'm assuming the guy's pretty small. He just has one truck, but she said that he let her know that his plow actually broke off the truck. So that's no good. Hopefully he gets that figured out and gets it fixed, but we got him dug out, and the driveway was pretty cool. It was actually, it almost looked like a cross. So it was really easy. I was able to push straight back, turn, and then pull away from the house, and then spin back around and shove it all to the other side of basically like the cross, the T, whatever you want to consider it. But yeah, moving through them here. Savannah is knocking the big church out, the one with the real long driveway. You guys have seen those do it before. I don't think she's doing any recording, but I'm not really myself. We're just moving through here, trying to get as many people opened up and back operational. She was up here earlier, went through the big church that you guys have already seen for the second time, and got it all salted out. That one up there, it's looking good. Now I'm gonna head across town here. Got about a 10-minute drive, and then start my next. All right, gonna knock this one out right here. It's pretty much straight back. I do gotta watch, there's a retaining wall right along the house there. The gentleman showed me real quick. I gave him the price. He's like, I don't care what you charge me. He's like, just get me out of here. He's like, I can't go anywhere. So gonna get it done. All right, guys, so I figured I'd show you what we're kind of plowing through on the residentials. So that's about as far as I made it so far. They got a garage here, garage over there, or thought it was a garage. It's a house. Anyways, super busy main road right here. And going up the hill, we'll get it though. I'm gonna hopefully be able to plow this straight back and to the right, and then the driveway goes that way as well. Just dealing with the traffic. If there was no traffic, we'd be golden. All right, guys, just spun around. Really busy road, even though I didn't think it was that busy. Taking care of this guy. He's disabled. Couldn't get anybody to come over. It's a bit out of my way from where I was targeting the residentials, but I'm gonna give him his service for free. What you think?
Oh, yeah, looks good. I could do the rough stuff, and I guess we just need to settle up.
Well, this one's gonna be on me.
Oh, thank you. What, do you have a card for me?
I don't have any in this truck right now, but
I'll tell you what, I got you in my phone.
Okay.
And I will make it right with you. I
Appreciate
really appreciate
Nope.
it.
You have a good day, okay?
Thank you very much, sir.
Yep.
Bye-bye. Be careful.
Yep, don't forget your shovel there.
I'll tell you what, that is nice.
It is really nice, isn't it?
It is nice.
It's called a top gun back blade.
How many feet you get width?
16.
Ooh, wow.
They make it up to 20 though.
Is that right?
Yeah, people like this right here being kind of an awkward driveway, it gives you those hands that kind of extend out and you can grab stuff really quickly.
Wow, nice. All right, have a good
Yep,
day.
you too, man.
Thank you.
Don't forget your snow shovel.
All right, thank you. All right, have a good day. Yeah, at some point I may need to pay you to watch me go inside. All right, thank you.
Take care.
You too. Thank you.
Just a reminder, you know, we are a service provider. We do charge for our services, but it's also good to bless others whenever you see they need it. So we had discussed a price on the phone, which is our minimum. We're plowing off 2-3 feet of frozen material. I mean, they're bad. These driveways are really bad. You're not going to shovel these out by hand, probably more than likely right now if you're a bit older. So he was elderly, very immobilized, and just wanted to give back.